Hello friends, let us now discuss the same left aligned right angle triangle. Left aligned right angle triangle, this time filled with characters. Irrespective of what being the content of that particular pattern, if it matches with this particular left aligned triangle, then always remember your R is going to go from 1 to N and C is going to go from 1 to R. So your R is going to go from 1 to N and C is going to go from 1 to R. Whatever not the previous content. So if anyone is going to match with the left aligned triangle, your R and C will be in this fashion itself. What characters are going to be printed, that we will discuss with the value of K itself. Again, what you will do is, you will make an observation on the first character at this point. This time there are no variables which are of digits. There are no values, but instead of that we have what? Characters. So let's take this particular as K and set this with A. So here your K will act as an integer variable or character variable. Yes, true, character variable. Set this K as A. Observe the next character. What is that next? Is it same or different? Different. Is it incremented or decremented? Decremented. So I'll have an incremented content for this particular K. So let me write these loops for you. So I have this particular pattern for you. Now within this I am supposed to place these instructions. Now K equal to A has to be set when? Is it only once? Is it at the beginning of every row? Yes, it is at the beginning of every row. When you say that it is at the beginning of every row, make sure that this K is set with A at this place. K equals to A. So I have K equals to A at this place, which means that your K has to be defined as a character variable. So I'll have the same code. In the previous examples, your K will be an integer variable because the characters in the pattern were all numbers or digits or values. Hence K was of type integer. Here K will be a character variable. So take that particular character variable. So character variable R is 1, R less than equal to N, R plus plus. At the beginning of every row, set the value of K as A. Then within this, what you will do is, you will print the value of K. But this time K, is it integer variable or character variable? Character variable. Very good. So I'll say %C, comma. Then first print K. Observe the next character. Is it still the same or is it the character which is being changed? If it is going to be changed, then is it incremented or decremented? Incremented. So then I'll say K plus plus. I'll say %C, comma K plus plus. I'm through with that entire pattern. So I've used still the same good old loops which we shared in the first session till this. We have not changed the loops irrespective of the patterns. The numbers might appear, the alphabets might appear, but still we'll stick to the same for loops. Make sure that you complete the entire code, hash include std.h, hash include conio.h, void main. Then declare the variables. In this case, N, R and C will be variables of type integer. So I'll say int N, R, C. And then I'll have a character variable K. After that, ask the user to enter the number of rows. So how many rows? Once the user says these many rows, then say R equals to 1 to N, C equals to 1 to R. And within that, you are supposed to do some printing operation, printf/n. This will be the common code. What is going to be changed is the one which I have written with these new colors. So the changes are, observe the first column. The first column is observed in this fashion. Is this first column having the same character? If same, then set that particular value. Then what to be printed? Print the value of K. Check the next character. Is it changing or is it still the same? It's changing. If it is changing, is it incremented or decremented? Incremented, then say K plus plus. Since the variable K is of type character, so I'll say printf %C, comma K at this place. So this is how we modify these character patterns. If you feel that there are some changes in this particular alphabet pattern, observe the first character. Observe the first character, set that as K and keep on doing this particular operation. So for all those patterns which we have studied till now, in this particular section of pattern generation programs, we'll have R as 1 and C as 1 to R, R as 1 to N and C as 1 to R if it is a left aligned right angle triangle. So if it is an alphabet, declare the variable k as of type character. If it is a value or a digit, declare the variable k as integer. Observe the first column and summarize that with some number, and then keep on doing the operations. Thank you.